What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so today's video we're going to be swapping out this old sprinkler timer to a brand new smart one. So let's go take a look what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, so here's a new sprinkler timer I'm going to be installing. It's from Imolaza Smart Sprinkler Controller. So before we continue, I just want to say a big thank you to them. They reached out to me and asked if I can do a video for them, and I said yeah. So they sent me the package, and here it is guys. We're going to go ahead and install it, and I'm going to walk you through how to download the app, and then we can control it from your phone as well. So let's get started. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. We've got some paperwork right here, some user manual, wire diagram, a mounting template, and here's the actual timer itself. There you go. It looks really nice actually. It doesn't even look like a traditional sprinkler controller. Here it is guys. Let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we got our power. Oh, this is nice. They actually send you a little screwdriver so you can install it. All right guys, so let's get to it. All right guys, so before we install the new timer, we're going to take out our old one. Okay guys, so we removed the old timer, so we're going to use our template right here. Place it roughly where you want it at. You might do it right about here. We're going to go ahead and mark these holes out. Try to make it as level as possible. Go ahead and mark these holes. Okay, you can go ahead and pre-drill the holes, and then we can attach some anchors, and then now we can screw it in. Okay guys, so I made the holes, I put in the anchors, but right here I didn't need an anchor because there's actually a stud right behind here, so the anchor was getting folded, so I think we should be good by just installing the nail. So let's go ahead and bring the timer and screw it to the wall. Okay guys, so and the way we're going to screw it is this plate right here comes right off. It's held on by these two magnets right here. These right here. So we just got to remove it. We're going to put this in here, line up the holes, and we're going to go ahead and screw it down. Alright guys, so next thing we're going to be doing is wiring these up. So it does come with these little stickers you can use if you need them. I'm not going to use them only because I only have two zones here. So I'm just going to connect the power, and then I'm going to wire up the common and then the two zones that I have. Might be a little hard to see, but right here there's labeled, for example, there's two common sections, master valve, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. But like I said, I only have two zones, so I'm only going to use these right here. So let's go ahead and wire these. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wire. I'm going to start with the common. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this screw right here, slide it in, and then tighten it down. As you can see, it's in place. Next thing, we're going to connect our zones. The next thing I'm gonna do is connect the power. Alright guys, so as you can see, it got powered on. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to download the Imolaza app. I believe there's a QR code in the box somewhere, or you could just go to your app store, go ahead and download Imolaza, and then we'll go on for the next step. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm doing a screen record. So you're going to download the Imolaza app, you're going to create an account, and then you're going to get this page right here where it says add controller. We're going to go ahead and add the controller. So it's going to ask you a couple of questions. It's going to ask if you want to access your location, nearby devices. Okay guys, so we're going to make sure your Bluetooth is on and you know your Wi-Fi password and everything, okay? We're going to go to the next step. It's going to allow the location. I'm going to say yes when using the app. You're going to have to allow. Okay, we're gonna connect. We're gonna check on this one that we have. Find your device. It's gonna ask for a Wi-Fi name. Okay guys, gonna connect to your Wi-Fi. So right here you can change the device name if you want. I'm still gonna leave it at Imolaza. Confirm. Device added. So next one, you can go ahead and add your address. Okay, after you confirm everything, next you're going to see this, set up zones. Let's go ahead and do that. And ready to go outside, yep. So now it's giving me the option to test it out. Let me go ahead and open my garage real quick. Okay guys, so unfortunately I actually record and have the app on my phone and I'm not able to do both. So I'm going to walk through this app to show you exactly how to use it. Okay guys, so here's the app. After you install everything, you can go right here to your zones. You can click on each individual and then you can do like a manual watering, I guess you want to call it. So if you wanted to water something real quick, go right there. It's going to say total watering time, so you can put as long as you want. So I'm going to put just for a minute just so you guys can hear it. Unfortunately, I can't record and show you this at the same time, but you will be able to hear it as soon as I click next. The water will turn on. You guys can hear it, the sprinkler turned on. If you wanted to stop, you just press the pause button. And it stopped. So that's actually really cool guys, especially, I think this is really gonna come in handy when, let's say, beginning of spring, you know, before the lawn season starts, you wanna go out there and check your sprinklers. You can go out there, use your phone. This way you don't have to keep walking back and forth to your controller. You can do it straight from your phone on the lawn. So that's probably save you a lot of time. So it's actually really cool guys. This app does a lot of things, not just, you know, that. It also runs off of, because it does take your location. You can set it up to do like a smart timer, or a smart, I forgot what it's called, sorry. If you go right here to your schedules, that's what it's called, ET Smart Schedule. So this way, you see right here where it says it's gonna be like the most intelligent. It's gonna go off of your weathers, it's gonna go off of your season, your climate, anything like that. I might be using it myself on the fixed schedule, but as you can see, it even gives you an option for new grass also. So I'll probably do the fixed schedule myself. Click next. And then right here, you're gonna select your zone, click next. And then you're gonna see right here, it's gonna tell you like a watering timer. Right now, it technically is winter, but where I live at, it's still like in the mid 60s right now. It does drop down to about the 50s, but so I know I am watering, but maybe 2 times a week, maybe 3. But once springtime comes around, I'm gonna up it more and more, and I can easily change all that from my phone. So yeah, guys, this app is pretty cool. So there's different cycles you can do. There's a lot you have to really take your time to see, because this app, so far what I can see, you can do a lot with it. You can just walk through it, how many days, any day, specific days, odd, even. It's up to you. You can really customize it the way you like. Okay guys, I also want to show you this feature, because there might be some of you that don't want to deal with the phone all the time. Maybe you want to come out here manually, or maybe for some reason your Wi-Fi is not working and you have to come out here manually water. You can go ahead and do that right here. All we're going to do is press these buttons left or right, depending on what zone you want to water manually. So for example, right now it's on 1, that's 2, that's 3, and so forth, so on and so forth. So we'll go ahead right here, go to 1, we're going to hit the play button. And as you can see, they're on. And then we will just come back right here. Just go hit that stop button when you're done. And it's off. So that's a nice little feature, because I know there is some products that are strictly Wi-Fi. It only works using Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi is not working, then you really can't do much. Alright guys, so as you can see, I ran through the app. It's super easy to go through. You guys can really take your time. You can really customize it. There's so many different options you can choose, so many different schedules you can do. You can also add a rain sensor if you like as well to this. I don't have one myself, but you can add one. Some people do have them. Where I live, it doesn't rain so much, so I don't really have one for that reason. But it's nice to know you can add one to this. And honestly guys, it's just a really nice looking sprinkler controller. So honestly, I would recommend buying this yourselves. It's really nice. It's gonna come in handy. And but yeah guys, check them out. I believe you can purchase them from Amazon and also their website, I believe. And I think they have an 8 zone, 12, and 16. And then, you know, they might come out with some more products in the future, and you guys should check those out as well, guys. But thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.